Hello everyone, my name is Audrey Long and I'm going to be doing a video demonstration of Project 5, which is creating a weather station out of a DHT11 sensor, an OLED screen, and a Wi-Fi module. Alright, so let's go through some of the requirements that I went through. So for the requirements, we were told to read this ESP8266 PDF to get a better understanding of how to set up our embedded system and how to actually extract data. So after I went through all of the requirements, I kind of picked out the requirements that I thought were very necessary. For example, configuring the serial terminal properly, configuring the Arduino work environment, to scan and configure the Wi-Fi connectivity with the device, create Wi-Fi credentials in the code, download the needed libraries, and then set up some APIs for both the weather module API and the API from the ThingSpeak to actually plot the data on the fly. So here I'm going to show you a little bit more about my embedded system design. So here's a picture of my embedded system, and here's the actual embedded system over here. It's probably easier to see. So I found the wiring diagrams online, and it was actually pretty simple to hook up. On the left you see the DHT11 sensor and how it's wired up to the OLED and the Wi-Fi module. So let's just continue on with this demonstration. As you can see for my OLED screen, let me actually turn it around. I configured it for my location, which is actually in Londonderry, New Hampshire, which this is actually really cool. You can see the temperature for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's pretty cold here still. It's going to be in the 40s and then the 30s. And then this is actually the office temperature of where I'm sitting right now. It's 65 degrees right now. So I think that that's really cool to actually see that this little module over here, this DHT11 sensor, being used and it being displaying that information on the OLED. So that is it really for the requirements. And then over here, you can see that I'm actually getting this weather station data. Oh, that's a really blurry picture. There we go. And the last entry was a minute ago. I've actually been running this for a day because I'm kind of interested to see the data that's actually extracting. So if you want to take just a quick look at the code as well, it really is the same code probably that everyone else has, with everything that's kind of catered to my Wi-Fi and all the APIs and my keys that I set up. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Here again, the embedded system in all of its glory. Have a great one.